Tired of cordless vacuums that lose suction in 5 minutes, get clogged with pet hair, or cost a fortune? In this video, we've tested and ranked the top 5 best cordless vacuums of 2026, from budget powerhouses to flagship deep cleaners with laser dust detection and self-emptying docks. We compared battery runtime, real-world carpet suction, pet hair pickup, and overall value to help you find the perfect match for your home. All product links with the latest deals are in the description below. Let's jump into the countdown. Number 5. Wyze Cordless Vacuum S. Starting our list at number 5 is the Wyze Cordless Vacuum S, a lightweight stick vacuum designed for quick everyday cleaning on hard floors, low-pile carpets, stairs, sofas, and car interiors. It delivers up to 20,000 pascals of suction power in turbo mode and offers 3 cleaning modes, eco, medium, and turbo. This makes it easy to balance suction power and battery life depending on the cleaning job. Battery runtime reaches up to 40 minutes in eco mode, around 23 minutes in medium, and approximately 10 minutes in turbo. The vacuum weighs about 4.9 pounds in stick mode, while the handheld configuration weighs only 2.8 pounds for easier cleaning of furniture in tight spaces. The motorized floor head includes 6 bright LED lights that help reveal dust and debris under furniture. A clear display shows the selected power mode and remaining battery level. It also features a 3-stage filtration system with a HEPA filter, a washable dust cup and filter, and one-touch dustbin emptying for easier maintenance. Pros: up to 20,000 pascals suction power. 3 suction modes. Up to 40-minute runtime. Lightweight handheld and stick design. HEPA filtration with LED floor lights. Cons: turbo mode lasts only around 10 minutes. Best suited to hard floors and low-pile carpet. Limited included accessories. Overall, the Wyze Cordless Vacuum S combines strong suction, lightweight portability, useful LED lighting, and flexible power modes, making it our number 5 pick for the best cordless vacuums of 2026. Number 4. Tineco Pure 1 S11 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Coming in at number 4 is the Tineco Pure 1 S11, a smart cordless stick vacuum designed for hard floors, carpets, furniture, stairs, cars, and everyday pet hair cleaning. Its standout feature is iLoop Smart Sensor technology, which detects hidden dust and debris and automatically adjusts suction power in real time. This helps balance cleaning performance with battery usage during longer cleaning sessions. The Pure 1 S11 uses a quiet digital motor that delivers up to 130 W of suction power. Battery runtime reaches up to 40 minutes with the crevice brush in eco mode, while the powered floor brush provides around 30 minutes, depending on conditions and usage. An onboard color LED display shows battery level, suction performance, and cleaning progress. The lightweight cordless design can also convert into a handheld vacuum, making it useful for cleaning stairs, furniture, car interiors, and other difficult-to-reach areas. The vacuum includes a 0.6-liter dust capacity, and Tineco recommends regularly cleaning the filter and HEPA components to maintain consistent performance. Pros: iLoop automatic dirt detection. Up to 130 W suction power. Up to 40-minute runtime. Color LED information display. Converts into a handheld vacuum. Cons: powered brush runtime is around 30 minutes in eco mode. Requires regular filter maintenance. Not recommended for shag carpets. Overall, the Tineco Pure 1 S11 combines intelligent suction adjustment, lightweight versatility, and useful real-time cleaning information, making it our number 4 pick for the best cordless vacuums of 2026. Number 3. Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum IZ862H. Taking the number 3 spot is the Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum IZ862H, a powerful cordless stick vacuum designed for carpets, hard floors, pet hair, and everyday whole home cleaning. One of its standout features is CleanSense IQ, which uses an infrared sensor to detect hidden dirt and automatically increase suction when needed. The LED display also shows cleaning status, battery level, and selected power settings. The Dual Clean PowerFin's Hair Pro system uses 2 brush rolls to clean both carpets and hard floors while improving hair pickup. A self-cleaning brush roll is designed to reduce hair wrapping, making it especially useful in homes with pets. Battery runtime reaches up to 60 minutes in eco mode when measured at the handheld unit. The removable battery can be charged separately, while the multi-flex wand bends to reach underneath furniture and folds for more compact storage. It also includes HEPA filtration with an anti-allergen complete seal, which is designed to trap over 99.9% of particles measuring 0.3 microns and larger. Pros: up to 60-minute runtime. Clean Sense IQ dirt detection. Dual Clean PowerFin's Hair Pro system. HEPA anti-allergen filtration. Flexible multi-flex wand. Cons: heavy at around 8.9 pounds. Around 3.5 hour charging time. 80 dB listed noise level. Overall, the Shark Stratos IZ862H combines intelligent dirt detection, strong pet hair cleaning, long battery life, and advanced filtration, making it our number 3 pick for the best cordless vacuums of 2026. Number 2. Dyson V12 Detect Pro Cordless Vacuum. Taking the number 1 spot is the Dyson V12 Detect Pro, a powerful intelligent cordless vacuum designed for deep cleaning carpets, hard floors, pet hair, furniture, and whole home cleaning. It delivers up to 350 watts of power and intelligently adjusts suction based on the amount of debris detected and the type of floor being cleaned. The LCD screen displays detected particle information, remaining runtime, power mode, and maintenance alerts while you clean. One of its biggest advantages is the included second battery, giving you up to 120 minutes of combined runtime under suitable operating conditions. The power trigger also helps conserve battery by using power only while you are actively cleaning. The digital motor bar cleaner head deep cleans different floor types while automatically helping remove tangled long hair. For furniture, stairs, and other smaller areas, the V12 converts into a handheld vacuum and includes a dedicated hair screw tool. Advanced whole machine HEPA filtration is designed to capture 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. You also get 9 accessories, an extra filter, docking station, and charger. Pros: up to 120 minutes with 2 batteries. Intelligent automatic suction adjustment. Digital motor bar anti-tangle cleaner head. Advanced HEPA whole machine filtration. 9 included cleaning accessories. Cons: heavier than the V12 at around 6.8 pounds. Premium price compared with basic cordless vacuums. Maximum runtime depends on power mode and attachments. Overall, the Dyson V12 Detect Pro combines powerful intelligent cleaning, long dual battery runtime, advanced filtration, and an excellent accessory package, making it our number 1 pick for the best cordless vacuums of 2026. Number 1. Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum. Coming in at number 1 is the Dyson V12 Detect Slim, a lightweight intelligent cordless vacuum designed for hard floors, carpets, rugs, furniture, and everyday whole home cleaning. It offers 3 power levels and up to 60 minutes of runtime, giving you enough flexibility for both quick pickups and longer cleaning sessions. At only 5.2 pounds, it is one of Dyson's lighter cordless models and can easily convert into a handheld vacuum. One of its standout features is the fluffy optic cleaner head, which uses illumination to reveal fine dust on hard floors that can otherwise be difficult to see. The detangling motor bar cleaner head handles multiple floor types while helping reduce wrapped hair. The built-in LCD screen displays useful cleaning information, while the lifetime washable filter helps simplify maintenance. It also includes an anti-tangle hair screw tool, crevice tool, combination tool, docking station, wand clip, and charger. Pros: up to 60-minute runtime. Lightweight 5.2-pound design. Fluffy optic dust illumination. Detangling motor bar cleaner head. Converts into a handheld vacuum. Cons: small 0.1 gallon dust bin. Around 3-hour charging time. Premium price compared with basic cordless models. Overall, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim combines lightweight handling, intelligent cleaning features, excellent floorhead technology, and versatile accessories, making it our #1 pick for the best cordless vacuums of 2026.